students, today we are starting trigonometric identities for class 10, and there are some of the thing which you have done in class 9 and you have to remember it very nicely. There are some other relationship which while doing I'll do. So these three things are very important for class 10. So I hope that you know your class 9 things very nicely, and these are revision work, but we start trigonometric identities. What are identities? Identities are true for like algebraic identities. They are true for any value. It is true for all the values. So first thing is we have sine square a plus cos square a is 1. So you have to learn all this. 1 plus tan square a is sec square a. 1 plus cot square a is cosec square a. But remember, angle A should be greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 0. And in case of third relationship, A should be greater than 0, not greater than equal to 0. So these are called square relations, children. Next we have tan. This is called quotient relation. Tan is sine by cos and cot is cos by sine. And there are many relations which we call reciprocal relations. Cosec is 1 by sine, sec is 1 by cos. See, it starts with C, reciprocal starts with S. It starts with S, reciprocal starts with C. And we have other thing also, like if you remember, tan cot are reciprocal. Okay, and this is sine cosec and cos sec. So here we start. I am starting with ICSE 2020 question. Generally, children, you have always a 3-mark question in section A, compulsory section. So 3B up to question 4C, we have section A. So this is 3B of year 2020, this latest question of ICSE. So how we go ahead about this? See, we have to prove left side is equal to right side. So we start with left side. You can start with any side. Generally we start with a side which is more complex, more difficult. So like see here, sine A by cot, as you know children, is cos by sine. And here tan, as you know, is sine by cos. So next what happens? Denominator, we take LCM. Sine A plus cos A it will become, when you take sine A as LCM, 1 is here, 1 and sine A is sine A. This will be multiplied here, and here we will get cos A by cos A plus sine A by cos A. So if you know in division, children, denominator becomes numerator. Downs down goes up. So this is sine square A by sine A. This goes up. Same way this will go up. Sine A plus cos A minus cos square A by cos A sine A. Plus will be here. Next you see we have common denominator. We have common denominator. Sine A plus cos A, and numerator becomes, since we have common denominator, numerator are just added or subtracted as it is, minus cos square A. This is sine A plus cos A, sine A minus cos A upon sine A plus cos A. So this will cancel. We get sine A minus cos A, which is what we were supposed to prove. So I started with left hand side and I have moved to the right hand side. Like this we will do many other latest ICSE question. Please pause the video and copy, then we move on to the next sum. Now we move on to ICSE 2019. So you see, this is also question 2B. This is compulsory section. This also carries 3 marks. So let us see how we do. So see children, ICSE questions are neither very easy nor very hard. So they are the right level. That's why I have started with ICSE question. Here we will start with left hand side. So cosec you know is 1 by sine minus sine. Sec is 1 by cos minus cos. Tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. Cot is cos theta by sine theta. So see here, tan and cot, and as you know cosec I have written 1 by sine, sec as 1 by cos. So let us take LCM. This is sine theta, 1 minus sine square theta. This step is very important. Same way, this is 1 minus cos square theta you will get by cos theta. And this one, if you take LCM, it will be sine theta cos theta. So cos will go sine times and sine will go cos times. Sine will go cos times. Okay, now you see, you know this is 1. First square relationship. So next what we have, 1 minus sine square. Again see this, 1 sine square goes there, so 1 minus sine square is cos square. Once more, if sine square goes there, 1 minus sine square, you get cos square, and 1 if cos goes that side, 1 minus cos square is sine square. Okay, so and here you know sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and this is sine theta cos theta. Okay, so if you see denominator also we have, if you write it cos square theta sine square theta, and denominator is also sine sine square theta, and cos square theta, this will cancel, you will get 1. So this is my RHS. So kindly pause the video and copy, and you can write reason here children, since I wrote this is equal to 1, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and as a result you say 1 minus sine square. Same way you can write cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta, and sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So see here, this is what I have used. 1 minus cos square is sine square, 1 minus sine square is cos square, and we have simplified. So please pause the video and copy. Next we move on to year 2018. This is also 3 mark question, and generally they are in section A, but sometime I'll show you that one question is in section A and one is in section B also. Cot is cos by sine. Cosec is 1 by sine, and tan is sine theta by cos theta. Sec is 1 by cos theta. So I start with the left hand side. Don't write equal to 2 because we have to prove it. So please don't write on the right side. That I'll show left side is equal to 2. So see what I have used. Cot is cos by sine. Cosec is 1 by sine. Tan is sine by cos, and sec is 1 by cos. As I told you, children, cosec's reciprocal is sine. This starts with C. So remember, reciprocal starts with S. Sec starts with S. Reciprocal starts with C, because sometimes children get confused. Cosec is reciprocal of cos or sine. So remember C, reciprocal S. S, C. So what we do here, take sine theta. So here it will become sine theta plus cos theta minus 1, because same denominator. And here you have cos theta plus sine theta plus 1 by cos theta. Now see, if you see this nicely, you will see this is sine theta plus cos theta. See the use of bracket, minus 1. See the use of bracket, children. Cos theta plus sine theta plus 1. And this, if you see, is divided by sine theta, and here it is cos theta. Now you see A plus B, A minus B, this full thing is A. So difference of square, A minus B, A plus B, A square, A plus B square, A plus B whole square minus 1 square by sine theta cos theta. But when I expand this, children, what do you get? Cos square. This can be written as sine theta plus cos theta, or cos theta plus cos square theta plus sine square theta. This I am putting in bracket, children, because it is 1 plus 2ab, 2 sine theta cos theta minus 1 by sine theta cos theta. Next, see what happens. This becomes 1 and there is minus 1. This will cancel. We have 2 sine theta cos theta by sine theta cos theta. So here, since we have done plus minus, that's why I am not cancelling. So next step I will cancel. Sine theta cos theta by sine theta cos theta. This will cancel and I'll get 2, which is my RHS. So once more, use this relationship, quotient relationship, quotient relation, reciprocal relation. We get common LCM. Numerator you get in the form A plus B, A minus B. So I write A square minus B square. A square minus B square is A square plus B square plus 2AB, but this gives you 1. Why? Since you can write sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. So I put 1 here, this one and this one cancels, then this cancels and we get 2. So kindly pause the video and copy. Next we go to year 2017. We have 2 questions. Some here you will see, children, there are 2 questions, one in section A and one in section B. And as I was telling you, if you see any textbook, some questions are very easy. At the end of the chapter you get very hard question, but generally I start the chapter with ICSE because they are right for your level, because this chapter is there in class 11 also, but it is harder one you have to do. So ICSE questions are very standard question. So here if you see, class 9 you have studied about something called complementary angles. Complementary angles, not relation. So that I will use here and here also. So see, sine square 62, before I start, in this question I think we don't have to prove, we have to find the value. So find the value of, okay, so sine square 62, this one, how to write? See, very important, this step is very important, children. Sine square 90 minus 28, see, 90 minus 28 gives you 62, and this is nothing but cos square 28. So see here, sine square 62 gives you cos square 28. Same way, see this cot cot square 52 is cot square 90 minus 38. See, this comes in this format and this comes in this. And you know, cot 90 minus theta, complementary angle, is tan theta. So square also same thing happens. Cot square 52 becomes tan square 38 and sin square 62 becomes cos square 28. So see what happens. So this working you show. So what happens here, you see this step, first step. Sin square 28 remains sin square 28. Sin square 62 becomes cos square 28. This will give you 1. Then tan square 38 minus cot square 52 is nothing but tan square 38. And here, children, you have studied one more thing in class 9, that is standard angle. So sec square 30 is actually, if you know, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is standard, so sec 30 will be 2 by root 3. So here I will have 2 by root 3 square. So this comes from standard angle. Remember, sometime we use concept of standard angle. Not only this, when we do height and distance, you will see. So this is 1, this cancels, and here we have 1/4. See, I directly go there. Into 4, 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3. So I get 1 plus 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. 4 by 3 or 1 by 3. So this is the value. So this was not a proof question. Once more, sin square 62, you make it cos square 28. Children, this step is very important in ICSE. If you miss this, it's going to be wrong. So you have to show this complementary angle relationship. You cannot go directly from here to here. So you lose a lot of mark if you don't show this. So cot square, first show 90 minus this, because 52 is 90 minus 38. Then cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. If it is square, same thing. And here we use standard angle. So this 2 becomes 1 and this 2 cancels out. So here you can write simply, since sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, because here we have substituted, this has cancelled and this is coming from standard angle. So pause your video and copy. So we go to second question of 2017. What I did was in section A, and this is again 3 mark question in section B. So 2017, like some other years, we have 2 question, children. So this is little hard. You see, some questions are little hard. Let us see. So I start with left hand side. Again I have to prove. So what I do, take sine common. We take sine common here. 1 minus 2 sine square theta. And here if I take cos common, I get 2 cos square theta minus 1. So see my next step. Very important step, children. Sine theta, see the bracket, 1 minus 2. Sine square theta, as I told you, is 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Sine square theta is only this part, 1 minus cos square theta. So here we have, don't do anything in denominator. Don't try to change cos square theta into sine square theta. So what do we get? Sine theta 1 minus 2 minus minus plus 2 cos square theta. 1 minus 2, 1s are 2, minus minus plus 2 cos square theta. And here we have cos theta, and here this is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now see here nicely, this will be sine theta. This minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. So this plus I write first, 2 cos square theta minus 1. See, 2 cos square theta plus I write first, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, and this is cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1. This 2 cancels, and sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. This is my RHS. So I have done 5 sum for you. Pause your video, copy, and try to do other solved example and unsolved example. And I am using ML Agrawal's book. You have very good questions. Exercise 18 on trigonometric identities. So please learn solve solved example and solve unsolved example. Thank you boys for watching.